It's Dawn from 4 Leaf for Life Reiki, welcoming you to a Reiki-infused meditation time. So sit back and open to the power of meditation to calm the body, to help to regulate the mind, and to open up as well to infinite guidance and peace. We ask the Reiki to flow for our highest and greatest good. I invite you to get comfortable. Feel your feet firmly planted on the floor. As we invite in this purest aspect of the Reiki energy, connecting you above and below. This beautiful pillar of pure white light, a cylinder of white, perfect light, connecting you above and below. Just taking a few deep breaths in through your nose all the way down into your belly and exhaling through your mouth as we fully arrive right here, right now. Opening up to the guidance, the wisdom of your higher self. As we are simultaneously held in this grounded, embodied, nurtured self. Feeling the rich, earthy energy flowing up from the core of the earth up into the soles of your feet as you breathe in and out, creating this beautiful, solid foundation. It is sturdy, it is solid, it is nourishing, alive with possibilities. Flowing up into your legs, your knees, your thighs, converging into your belly in this reservoir so that it may use this energy, all of these elemental energies, for your health, for your well-being, for your physical, mental, emotional well-being. And notice as this is happening that there is also this perfect ephemeral quality of sparkling light energy that is moving down from the universe and into the crown of your head. It is light, it is intuitive, it is sparkly. And as you breathe in and out, you begin to coalesce with both of these energies as this perfect sparkly energy flows down all around you, above and below. It anchors into your heart center, creating this beautiful corridor of pure white light, this radiance where we will rest for the remainder of this meditation. And so you are invited, friends, to breathe, to surrender to the breath as you feel the energy coalescing above and below in the center of your chest, radiating outwards in pure potential. You may notice that thoughts come up, to-do lists, and that's very natural. And so the invitation is to acknowledge them and then just let them go as you focus again on breathing in and out. Just becoming very aware of the sensations in your body, your heart beating, the circulation of your blood. Noticing any subtle qualities of the air around you, of the breath, of the body. And if you like, you may pause this video to continue to bathe, to marinate in this energy, in this peaceful, calm energy. As we prepare to complete this meditative experience using the Reiki energy, the Reiki light, I invite you to take a few more deep breaths through the nose, into the belly, exhaling through the mouth. Feeling your feet on the floor, wiggling your toes, your fingers, and intending that this meditative experience be complete.